Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into Upgrade, your go-to platform for managing credit effortlessly. Follow these simple instructions to access your account with ease. Step 1. Visit the Upgrade website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.upgrade.com. Make sure you are connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Step 2. Locate the login button. Once you're on the Upgrade homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a button that says Login. Click on this button to proceed. Step 3. Enter your email address. After clicking the Login button, you will be redirected to a new page where you will need to enter your email address. Type in the email associated with your Upgrade account. Step 4. Input your password. Next, you will be prompted to enter your password. Carefully type in your password to ensure there are no typos. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so check your caps lock. Step 5. Click on the Login button. Once you've entered your email address and password, locate the Login button at the bottom of the page. Click on it to submit your credentials. Step 6. Two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, you will receive a verification code via your chosen method, SMS, or email. Enter this code in the designated field and click Verify to complete the login process. Step 7. Access your account. Congratulations! You are now logged into your Upgrade account. From here, you can manage your credit, view transactions, and check your account status. For those who may have forgotten their password, there is an option available on the login page that says Forgot Password. Click on this to initiate the password recovery process. Thank you for following our step-by-step guide on how to log into Upgrade. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.